prosecute Farouk now. What we are saying, end corruption now. What we are saying, kill corruption now. What we are saying, stop corruption now. What we are saying, investigate Farouk now. All we are saying, all we are saying, all we are saying, corruption now. All we are saying, corruption now. All we are saying.
I go need you.
Okay.
Nigerians, here today as it concerns Nigerian youths, we are here on our continuous call to the Nigerian people demanding attention and investigation into the grave acts of alleged misconduct, corruption and abuse of office perpetrated by Engineer Farouk Ahmed, the Chief Executive Officer of the Nigerian Midstream and Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Authority. The allegations of expenditure going to the sum of $5 million on education for his children in schools abroad cannot go unnoticed. We shall continue to voice our disarray with the situation as it is our civic responsibility. God bless the people of Nigeria. Solidarity forever.